Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our second question. Find the distance between these 2 points, not like usual. So normally they will give 2 points that are x1 and y1. Here also given x1, y1 and x2, y2. In order to substitute in the formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here, this is 0, 0 they are given. This is not like usual. That is, we are going to substitute and I will going to explain 2 methods for this solving. So let's go into write x1 and y1. Let, what is the answer here is, let x1, y1 will be equal to 0, 0 and y2, x2, y2 will be equal to 36, 15. 36, 15. So that is our x2, y2 and x1, y1. So what is the formula between this one? So let's go into take the distance. So distance will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula. This is the formula in order to substitute the values. So let's go into substitute here. x2 is what? 36 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is what? 15 minus 0 whole square and square root as usual. So 36 square plus 15 square. So 0 subtraction means there is no change in values. So that one we know. So what is the value of 36? 36 into 36. Let's go into take 36 into 36. We can do as 36 So let's go into take square root of 1296 plus 15 square is 15. So 15 into 15, what is that? So 225. So as usual, we will get as 225. So 225. Let's go into take this one as 1296 plus 225. So what is that? Square root of this sum 1296 plus 225 11, so 10 12, then here what is this? 5 and 1 1521. So 1521, approximately 1521 we will get it as I thought. So how we need to check? Already we got it 1296 as a perfect square plus 36. So it is above than 1296, 1521. So how to calculate here? So it's more than 36, yes. So it's more than 36 square value. Either it may be 37 or 38 or 39. So 37 means in order to here unit digit is how to calculate 1521. 1521. Already 36 square we know that 1296. We know this one. So 1 should come here, unit digit. So what is unit digit here? So let's go into take 37. Why? Because it's more than 36. 37, 7 sevens are 49. So 9 is a unit digit. It's not the value. Next 38 into 38. How we need to solve that one I am explaining. This is not answers. This is not included in the problem. How we need to solve the question answer. For that I am explaining what is the logic. So 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. So here 4 is the unit digit. Again go with the 39. 39 into 39. So 9 9s are 81. So here we need to get, we are getting here unit digit as 1. So similar. So let's go into multiply and 39. So let's go into take this is the answer is 39 into 39. Blindly you can say 39 into 39. So you can calculate it. We will get 1521 or not get it. So 9 9s are 81. 9 3s are 27 plus 8. So 27 plus 8, 30, 5, we are getting 27, 3 3 is a 9 plus 11. So 1, 12, 5, 1521. Yes, 1521 we got. So here multiplied and shown. So this one is 39 square root will going to cancel here 39 centimeters. So the distance between these 2 points as 39 centimeter. Let's going to take another method. So what is the another formula here is if one of the coordinate x1 y1 is 0, then what is the distance formula? So distance formula is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So here x comma y is nothing but 36 comma 15. So 36 comma 15, 13 square plus 15 square. Directly you can substitute here what value, 1521 and 39 centimeters. So like this is the way, this is another method. So xy, if another coordinate is 0 comma 0, then directly you can take x and y, that is x square plus y square. In that place we can substitute the given coordinate. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.